Vienna, a city rich in culture, history, and culinary delights, welcomes you with open arms as you step off the plane at Vienna International Airport. As you begin your journey, the first thing to consider is how to get to the city center. Public transport options are plentiful and convenient, offering a cost-effective way to reach your destination. Upon arrival in the city center, you check into your budget accommodation, a cozy spot that won't break the bank. The location is ideal, allowing you to easily explore the historic heart of Vienna on foot. Your first stop is St. Stephen's Cathedral, a stunning example of Gothic architecture with a rich historical significance. Vienna's walkability becomes apparent as you meander through the charming streets, passing by quaint cafes and street performers. For budget-conscious travelers, free walking tours are a great way to explore the city and learn about its history. As you continue your journey, you visit Bitzinger Wasselstand to experience Vienna's street food culture. Affordable and delicious, this is a great way to sample local flavors without spending a fortune. The next day, you find yourself at the majestic Hofburg Palace, once the residence of emperors. The grounds and gardens are a sight to behold, offering a glimpse into Vienna's imperial past. The Imperial Apartments and CC Museum provide further insight into the city's history, all at a reasonable cost. For lunch, you stop by Café Central, a historic spot with premium experiences that won't break the bank if you time your visit right. The elegance of the Spanish riding school adds to the grandeur of the day. Schoenbrunn Palace beckons on day 3, with its opulent history and sprawling gardens. The Gloriette offers panoramic views of the palace grounds, while a visit to the zoo provides a glimpse into one of the oldest in the world. A picnic in the gardens allows you to relax and enjoy local products while taking in the beauty of the surroundings. The day is filled with history and nature, all within a budget-friendly framework. Museum Day arrives on day 4, with visits to the Museum of Natural History and the Leopold Museum. Key exhibits and modern art pieces cater to a variety of interests, all while keeping costs in mind. The day ends at Prater Park, where budget-friendly fun awaits. A day trip to Bratislava on day 5 offers a change of scenery, with the Old Town, Castle, and key viewpoints providing a glimpse into Slovakian culture. Scenic shots of the Danube River and unique architecture add to the experience. The remaining days are filled with local life, market visits, cafe hopping, and a relaxing spa day. Neubau exploration, Naschmarkt tours, and cafe culture experiences showcase the diversity of Vienna's offerings. A public bath visit highlights the wellness aspect of Viennese culture, all while staying within a budget. As you prepare to depart Vienna, you recap your trip, sharing overall expenses and final tips for future travelers. The city has offered a virtual experience of its culture, history, and culinary delights, all while emphasizing budget-friendly options. Vienna truly is a city that caters to all, offering a rich tapestry of experiences for every traveler. Hope you liked this video. For our budget travel guides to your dream destinations, please visit our channel to subscribe and hit the bell icon for notification on new places to explore. Have a safe journey.